All right, quickly before we actually finalize and finish up the section, guys, I'm just going to show you how you can render at the maximum quality within this program. I know that sounds like a given, like they would try set that up for you every time, but believe me, it's kind of weird, but they don't always try set this up for you or make it the most obvious. But if we go up here to File, then go down to Export, and then go to Media, or we just press Control M, that's going to pop us up with our export settings. Now we could change this back to MP4 and not have it on animation like it was just then. And we can actually, I just want to direct your attention, okay, down to these guys. So first off, when you actually go to the preset, match source, high bit rate, you want to always select high bit rate. Then you want to turn on render at max depth. And then you also want to use maximum render quality. And also you can, again, like I told you guys, to use those previews so that it's speeding things up. And those are the three things you need to check every time to ensure the maximum render quality. Now, don't get me wrong, if you don't render at maximum depth and you don't use maximum render quality, it still renders at the highest bit rate. It still renders at great bit rate, 100%, and overall it's still going to look really HD and really good quality, but this is just how you actually take it to the maximum level of quality to really get the max out of it and overall be the sharpest, the crispest, and the nicest image that you can actually possibly achieve within Adobe Premiere Pro. So these guys down here, these two guys are very important, and of course the use previews is just going to be speeding your overall render up and just using those previews that you're making throughout it to actually help out in the overall encoding and rendering process of your files.